Hey creators, whether you're just starting your vlogging journey or looking to upgrade your gear, finding the right camera can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the best vlogging cameras of 2025. 5 incredible options designed to suit every content creator's needs. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Sony ZV-1 II, a compact camera built specifically for content creators. It features a 1-inch sensor, delivering stunning image quality with vibrant colors and excellent low-light performance. The 20mm ultra-wide-angle lens is perfect for framing yourself and your surroundings, giving your videos a professional touch. Its real-time eye autofocus ensures you stay in sharp focus, even during movement. The flip-out touchscreen is a vlogger's dream, allowing for easy framing and quick settings adjustments. Plus, the directional 3-capsule microphone enhances audio quality, capturing crisp sound without external mics. Lightweight and portable, the ZV-1 II is ideal for travel vloggers or those shooting on the go. Next up, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, a powerful 4K camera packed into a pocket-sized design. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor captures detailed footage with rich colors, and the 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures buttery smooth shots, even while walking or running. What's cool is the rotatable touchscreen, which lets you switch between horizontal and vertical shooting seamlessly, perfect for YouTube and TikTok creators. The Creator Combo includes a wireless microphone, ensuring studio quality audio for your vlogs. And with the ability to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second, you can capture stunning slow-motion footage. Small but mighty, the Osmo Pocket 3 is your ultimate all-in-one vlogging tool. For creators seeking a professional edge, the Canon EOS R10 Content Creator Kit is a fantastic choice. This mirrorless camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp and vibrant images with excellent depth of field. Its dual-pixel autofocus is incredibly responsive, ensuring your shots are always in focus, even in fast-moving scenes. The kit includes a high-quality lens, a microphone, and a grip, making it a complete vlogging solution right out of the box. Its vari-angle touchscreen is perfect for framing shots, while the 4K video recording capabilities give your footage a cinematic feel. Whether you're shooting tutorials, travel vlogs, or lifestyle content, the EOS R10 delivers professional-grade results. If adventure is your thing, the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo is built for you. With its 1.13-inch sensor, this action camera excels in both bright and low light conditions, capturing sharp, vibrant 4K footage. The horizon steady stabilization keeps your shots level, no matter how wild the action gets. Its rugged, waterproof design makes it perfect for outdoor and underwater shoots, while the dual touchscreen displays allow for easy control and framing. It's compact, durable, and versatile, an ideal choice for vloggers who love to push the limits. Last but definitely not least, we have the Insta360 X4, the ultimate tool for creative storytelling. This camera captures 8K 360-degree video, allowing you to reframe your shots in editing for endless possibilities. The dual ultra-wide lenses and AI-powered editing features make creating professional quality content easier than ever. Whether you're showcasing travel adventures or crafting unique cinematic pieces, the Insta360 X4 gives you the freedom to think outside the box. With its seamless stitching, HDR video, and stabilization technology, your content will stand out from the crowd.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.